and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be a collaboration slash giveaway with Berry Melts. If you're not familiar with who Berry Melts are, Berry Melts is a vitamin brand that tailors their vitamins specifically to bariatric patients. I've been using Berry Melts since the beginning of my post-op life, and let me tell you, they are my favorite. They taste good and they're easy on my stomach. That's the most important part to me. So in this particular video, I am going to be speaking to you guys about the importance of setting goals in the year of 2022. And I know you're probably thinking, Kelsi, what does that mean to me as a weight loss surgery patient? Why is setting goals? Why is setting a goal important to me? Well, as you guys know, nothing in our lives is really just fly by the seat of our pants anymore. We have to plan, we have to meal prep, we have to exercise. We really have to make sure that we meticulously create schedules for ourselves to ensure that we are successful. That's the same with setting goals. Goals are basically like setting up a roadmap to ensure that you get to where you're going successfully. So I've teamed up with Berry Melts and they are sponsoring a giveaway. In this particular giveaway, you can enter for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card, as well as the Berry Melts Weight Loss Surgery Essential Pack, which includes calcium, biotin, and a multivitamin with iron. 3 very important vitamins in your post-op life. Also, just for entering the giveaway, you'll receive a copy of their free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Weight Loss Surgery. Just for entering, no purchase necessary. One thing we haven't talked about is my goal. What is my goal for the year 2022? For me, my goal is going to be loving myself unconditionally. Unfortunately, I can be my harshest critic. I can be really down on myself, and a lot of times I can have negative self-talk that leads to self-defeating behaviors. And I'm wanting to learn how to love myself unconditionally, even when things aren't perfect, even when they're not going the best, even when things are rough. I want to be able to unconditionally love myself, respect myself, learn to celebrate the amazing accomplishments that I've made so far. So once again, I'm going to go into what the giveaway entails. You, as my loyal subscribers, have the chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card, as well as the Berry Melts Weight Loss Surgery Essentials Pack, which includes a multivitamin with iron, biotin, and calcium. Also, just for entering, you can receive a copy of the free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Weight Loss Surgery, just for entering. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to be the winner. It's free. It's yours. So if you have any questions about the rules or the regulations of the contest, make sure to check out my description box below. It will also give you detailed information on how to enter. Before you leave this video, please make sure to drop what your year 2022 goal is. I would love to sit and talk to you guys about it because setting goals is important. And even if you don't win the giveaway, you can still win at life by setting goals, setting reasonable and obtainable goals in your life to ensure that you get to where you're going successfully. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.